looking for platform or website where you can get free foreign numbers to verify some things, to do some verification online, this video got you covered. On today's video, I will show you some platform where you can get free numbers, free foreign numbers for registration. If you are not in Nigeria or you are looking for UK or US foreign numbers, this video got you covered. That is one of the numbers that we'll be looking into it. So one of the ways that you can get these foreign numbers, I have like 4 apps I get this from. One of them is Helium Mobile. On Helium Mobile, you need to turn on your VPN. You have to turn on a VPN to UK or US region so that you can be able to access the details in it. So when you access it, you will do so about Helium Mobile requires you to do a face verification, just your ID verification. But that one you cannot use Nigeria one because it might fail. You can use your driver's license and what of that. That is your international passport. That's one can work for it. So another one we're talking about is SMS to me. You can get free foreign numbers from this one, but it does not really belong to you. This is just visual numbers where you can use to verify some things online. But this one you cannot buy it. Like it's not just belongs to you. So another one, that is the second one. Another one we're talking about is my number to your second number. Yeah, that one you can download it from Play Store. This is the particular app. So when you download it from Play Store, you can log into it using a VPN, because if you try logging into it using the Nigerian server, it will not work. You can connect to your VPN to US or UK region, so you can be able to access it and then get your free foreign number. This one they will ask you to try it for free. Then you have to link your Visa or MasterCard to it. Once you link it, you can disconnect it later because it's just free. So that is one of the ways you can get this one. If you find any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want me to do any video about this particular video about these platforms or how they work about, you can still tell me in the comment section. Thank you.